Here's a question. How many of you actually believe that having a high income means you'll be rich? Because statistically, most of you are wrong. I know someone making $120,000 a year who has $4,000 in savings. I know someone making $38,000 who has $60,000 invested. One of them panics every month. The other sleeps fine. The difference? One believes myths about money. The other doesn't. Today, we're busting 5 money myths that are actively keeping young adults broke. And I'm going to tell you exactly what to do instead. Let's go. Myth 1. You need a detailed budget. This is the lie that kills motivation faster than anything else. You hear it everywhere. Track every dollar. Use the 50-30-20 rule. Download a budgeting app. Most people try this, hate it, and give up within 2 weeks. Here's the reality. You don't need a budget. You need a system. A budget is restrictive. It makes you think about what you can't spend. A system just makes money move automatically without you thinking about it. Here's what actually works. Set up automatic transfers on payday. The day your paycheck hits, money goes straight to savings before you see it. You live on what's left. Done. I did this at 24, making $32,000 a year. Automated $300 per paycheck to savings. I never missed it. 2 years later, I had $15,600. No spreadsheets. No guilt. No tracking. The people who get rich don't obsess over their budget. They automate their savings and move on with their lives. Myth 2. You need a high income to build wealth. This is the one that keeps people paralyzed. You hear it. I'll start saving when I make 6 figures. Once I get that promotion, I'll invest. When I get a better job, I'll build wealth. Meanwhile, 5 years pass and nothing changes. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Income is irrelevant to wealth building. Savings rate is everything. Someone making $45,000 who saves 20% is building wealth faster than someone making $150,000 who saves 2%. Let me show you the math. Person A, $45,000 salary, saves 20% equals $9,000 per year. Person B, $150,000 salary, saves 2% equals $3,000 per year. After 10 years, Person A, $90,000 saved plus growth. Person B, $30,000 saved plus growth. Person A is nearly 3 times ahead, and they make 1/3 of the income. The trick isn't making more. It's spending less than you make and letting time do the work. Myth 3. All debt is bad. This one confuses people the most. You've heard it. Get out of debt immediately. Debt is slavery. Never borrow money. Then these same people never build wealth because they're terrified of using debt strategically. Here's the reality. There's good debt and bad debt. Bad debt. Credit card at 22% interest where you're buying things you can't afford. That's poison. Good debt. A low-interest loan where you're investing in something that generates returns. That's leverage. Example. I took out a $5,000 personal loan at 7% interest to buy equipment for a side business. That side business now makes me $800 per month. The debt cost me roughly $350 in interest. The business made me back the $5,000 in 6 months plus pure profit now. I turned $5,000 of debt into $4,800 per year in additional income. Don't be afraid of debt. Be afraid of stupid debt. Know the difference. Myth 4. You can't start investing with just $100. This stops more people than anything. I'll invest when I have $5,000 saved up. Once I hit $10,000, I'll get serious about investing. Meanwhile, 5 years go by. They still have $2,000 because they never started. Here's the truth. You can open a brokerage account and buy a single share of an index fund with $50. Right now, today, I opened mine at 23 with $140. Bought one index fund. Forgot about it. 7 years later, it's $3,200. That's compound interest doing what it does best. And it would have never happened if I waited for the perfect amount to invest. Start with whatever you have. $50, $100, $500. The amount doesn't matter. The habit does. Myth 5. Some people are just naturally good with money. This is the most dangerous myth of all because it makes people feel powerless. I'm just bad with money. Some people have the money gene, I guess. I'll never be good at this. No, stop. Nobody is naturally good with money. They just made different choices. Your friend who's ahead? They automated their savings. They said no to things. They tracked what they spent for 2 months and got uncomfortable with the truth. They're not smarter than you. They just did the work. Money isn't magic. It's a system, and you can learn any system. So here's what you actually need to do. 1. Stop waiting for the perfect income. 2. Automate your savings so you don't think about it. 3. Stop avoiding looking at where your money goes. 4. Start investing something, even if it's small. 5. Stop believing that money is complicated. It's not. You're just believing myths about it. Now I want to know, what's the biggest money mistake you've made? Or what money myth did you believe the longest? Drop it in the comments. Let's see if other people struggle with the same thing. If this landed, subscribe. We upload videos every week about fixing the money problems nobody wants to talk about. Thanks for watching.